So for this pattern, I'm going to be using these two colors. This, I doubled up the yarn to be able to get the weight of this one. So get your hook and yarn and let's get started. So we are going to start by making a chain of a multiple of 3 plus 2. You can make it as long as you want, but make it a multiple of 3 plus 2. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I think that will be long enough for me. Then we chain 1, this chain 1 at the end, we don't count it, it's just our turning chain. And now we are going to make a row of single crochet stitches. This is going to be our foundation row. So we are going to make single crochet stitches until we get to the end of our row. I'll meet you on the other side. So we've come to the end of our row of single crochet stitches. We are going to make our turning chain, and then we are going to make another chain. So we make 2 chains and then turn, and we are going to make in our first space, we are going to make a double crochet stitch. Let me go slower there. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, and then yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. That's a double crochet stitch. Now our next stitch is going to be a triple crochet stitch, and by triple crochet we do like this: yarn over again, so you have 3 loops on your hook. Now we are going to skip 1, 2 spaces, and in the third one insert our hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. This is our triple crochet stitch. We are going to be making a number of them, so if you've not got it properly, just keep watching, you will get it. And after making that triple crochet stitch, we come in between here. You see, in between in those 2 loops, and we are going to make a double crochet stitch, and we make another one in the same space. That is our first shell. We are going to repeat the process again. Yarn over, skip 2 spaces, 1, 2. In the third one, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And then yarn over, go in between these 2 loops of our triple crochet stitch, and we make 2 double crochets, and the second one. We keep going like that. Another one, yarn over, skip 2 in the third one, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. And then we come to our loops here. We make a double crochet stitch and another double crochet stitch. Yarn over, skip 2 in the third one, This is literally what we are going to keep repeating for like the entire project. So if you practice that and you get it well, you have gotten this pattern. It is a 1 row repeat. We just reach the other side, turn, do the same thing, reach the other side, turn, change color, do the same thing. We do that over and over, and in no time our project will have grown, because this stitch works really very fast. So this is our very last shell, and we are going to end our row by making a single crochet, a double crochet stitch at the very end. Now before we complete that, our last double crochet stitch, we are going to join another color. So I'm going to chain 1 and make another chain again. To facilitate my turning, I am going to cut the white yarn and then I'm just going to knot this just to make sure that it doesn't come out. Just that. Okay, so turn our work, and we are going to do the same process that we've done before. In the very first chain, make our first double crochet stitch, and then we start with a triple crochet stitch on top of the shell, and then a double crochet stitch and another double crochet stitch, and we continue like that. You skip 2, you'll find yourself on top of the shell, a double crochet stitch and a double crochet stitch. You can already see how the pattern is looking. You keep going. When you reach this side, you change the color. You can either, when to change color is really up to you. You can do 1 row and change color, 2 rows and change color, 3 rows, just like you want it to be. Keep going until you reach the desired height or width or size of your project. Happy crocheting!